How to choose the best AIA insurance plan for you. Madali lang yan. Meron tayong 4 pillars of financial planning. So, ito yung education, insurance, retirement, and then health insurance. Itong 4 na to, nahahati siya into 2. Accumulation when we still have time to prepare for it, and protection when we don't have time anymore. So, accumulation, kapag may time ka pa para mag-save for your child's education, ito yung pinag-iipunan natin. Especially kung yung anak mo ay 0 up to age 10, we still have more time lalo to prepare for their college education funding. And then second, to save for your retirement. So sinabi ko in my previous video that if you want to enjoy 20 years of retirement, you must save 20 years earlier. So hindi kailangan na 40 years old, 50 years old para mag-start mag-save. Mas maganda nga if may extra money ka na rin, pwede ka na magsimula for your retirement. Next is protection. So ito yung life insurance and then critical illness insurance or tinatawag natin na health insurance. Itong life insurance, ito yung coverage mo in case na mawala tayo, ito yung amount na matatanggap ng family natin. So in case of premature death due to illness o kaya naman accidental death, yan yung amount na marireceive ng mga beneficiaries. Most especially, kung breadwinner ka, kailangan na kailangan mo ng insurance. And then next, yung critical illness or health insurance na tatawag, kung sakali man na-diagnose ng major at minor critical illnesses yung member, instead na magamit yung mga bank savings, magbenta ka ng assets, umutang ka sa other people because nagkasakit at kailangan ng mga money for recovery at hospitalization, ito yung gagamitin mo na money, instead ikaw lahat ang mag-shell out. So para makapili ng best AIA insurance plan for you, pipili ka lang dito sa 4 na to kung alin ang top priority mo as of the moment. Education ba ng anak mo? Retirement fund mo? Life insurance mo? Or health insurance? From there, kung ano yung top priority mo, yun yung gagawan namin as AIA Life Planners ng magmamatch na product or financial solutions depende sa'yo. So usually magbibigay kami ng 2 options, makapili ka kung alin doon yung mas gusto mo na magsusolve dyan sa top priority mo. Ito naman ang mga marerecommend naming best-selling products na makakasolve ng specific goal mo kanina. So kung gusto mong magkaroon ng life insurance or health insurance, mas marerecommend namin itong AIA Critical Protect 100. And kung gusto mo naman mag-save para sa education ng anak mo at retirement funding, A+ signature naman ang marerecommend natin. So to know more about these products, you can view my previous videos or you can send me a message.